And in this area of Makanalua, it is known for 28 different type of winds. And in this hula, she describes 5 of the winds. The wind pu'a'a that casts across the plain, it's a constant wind that blows. The ili kihi wind, the icy winds that come from Moloka'i and pushes in the lipoa, causing this strong scent of the lipoa and causing you to be faint and dizzy from just the smell of the vastness of this lipoa. The wind that comes up from Kahiko and that flaps and flutters your pa'u and your kihe and your clothing. The uluhahau lalaohi'a wind that blows, it's so strong that it breaks the branches of the ohi'a that grow along the pane'ene'e. And Syrian will do this. And the Moloka'i also describe the different winds of Moloka'i and the Ho'olehua plains. And mahalo nui, Syrian, for representing Moloka'i, and your aloha for this hula, and Raquel and all of the Halau Hula. Mahalo.
Look well, son. You look like
Anawo Moloka'i kamai, Moloka'i nuia hinae. Loa hina he wahine moi noa kea, moi hoa kea ia hinae uli no. Anawo Moloka'i he mo, Anawo Moloka'i he kamai, Moloka'i nuia hinae.
Makani no kapali o pane'ene'e Iha aka ma'ukula i na makani Ihale mai na ala i na makani O na pua hina me ka ena
Nalelo na makani o Moloka'i. Ay, makani o makanalua.
Makani pu'ai makanalua A e pui kala'i ke kulaloa Makani pu'ai makanalua A e pui kala'i ke kulaloa Ina pupili ai le huakai Ehu ke onei ke kikio Ina pupili ai le huakai Ehu ke onei ke kikio A e pu'ua o ke ahu kapalili He o mai la i ka i a kauhako A e pu'ua o ke ahu kapalili He o mai la i ka i a kauhako Mai mo pukapu mai ka i li'iliki Ku i alali poa a e he ha he ha mai mo hukapu mai kai liki kui alali poa a e he ha a e pai ka pali a e pai pane ene ulu ha haula la ui a i ke kula lolo a e pai ka pali a e pai pane ene ulu ha haula la ui a i ke kula lolo
Meleno na makani o makanalua.
Moloka'i nui o makani e, ka makani kili ai maka e, ka maka o pua pua e, pua luna pua lalo pua mawaina e,